Hi and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making a breakfast casserole, a biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese casserole, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. First we're gonna shred up some sharp cheddar cheese. Chop up these sausages that I cooked. I've finished, almost finished my cheese. I want to see if this is enough shredding this cheese though. Chop this up. Got my pan ready. I'm gonna spray that and put my biscuits in it. So to the grease that was still in the pan from the sausage, I added a little bit of butter. Now I'm gonna add some flour. About to make this gravy. Flour in here. I'm gonna put a little smoked paprika in here. And just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add a little heavy whipping cream in here. I'm going to heat down a little bit more cream in here. Sausage gravy. Put my biscuits in here. I'm going to take my sausage and put that right on top of my biscuits. I chopped it all up nice and crumbly. Put that on my biscuits. Got my sausage all on there. Now I'm gonna spread my cheese on top. I'm just gonna add a little milk to my eggs. Stir that in there. All right, I'm gonna pour my eggs on top of everything. Now I'm about to put some of my gravy on here. Just need a half a cup, maybe a cup. Make sure it's spread all evenly. Then I'll put a little bit more cheese on top of that. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven and let the magic happen. I think my casserole is about ready. So, yep, I've got 3 seconds and I'm gonna go take it out of the oven because I'm ready to taste it. All right, it is ready. It's hot. Look at it, nice and cheesy. A blooper. Alrighty, I am ready to taste it. Ooh. Give me a big piece. Ooh, look at it. See those eggs? You can see the sausage and cheese and Mr. Biscuit on top. Look at that. And I think I'm going to put some, here it is. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on mine. Smash it down a little so it can cool off a little. Ooh, y'all see that smoke? Hang on 1 second. Let it cool off for a second. All right, y'all. Here we go. First thing I taste is the cheese next to the hot sauce. There goes the sausage. Okay. Now you can put more sausage in there if you want. You can see it. It's a decent amount of sausage in there. Eggs are good, perfect. The biscuit is nice. And I had flaky biscuits. You can use just regular biscuits. This is good. You don't have to let it sit overnight like those other breakfast casseroles and stuff. You don't have to put potatoes in it and all of that. This is good. And it was quick. All right. Well, actually, this is my dinner. It's a breakfast casserole, but it's nighttime, and this is my dinner. So I'm going to eat this, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.